How long is the wait?
About 30 minutes.
Is there Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the wall.
Can I get some water?
There is a cooler in the corner.
Is the doctor running late?
Just a few minutes behind.
Is there a magazine to read?
Yes, on the table over there.
Have you been waiting long?
About 20 minutes so far.
They just called your name.
Oh great, finally my turn.
This chair is not comfortable.
Try the ones near the window.
I forgot my appointment card.
No problem, we have your info.
Thank you for being patient.
No problem, I understand.